Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So it looks like we have a reflection in here. I'm not sure what year it is, but it had a tire blowout, I'm assuming. And so it damaged the J metal, it damaged the fender skirt. So we got a new piece of J metal, a new piece of fender skirt for it sitting here today. And we're gonna put it together and put on. And then it is a model number 230RL. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. Looks like we're gonna do some underbelly material repairs up in here where it's all torn up and chewed up. And now we've had, I can tell by our work, I think it's our work, we've had a frame bracket get replaced on this at one time. And they do have an older version of Dexter Easy Flex kit. It's probably factory installed, but they are missing the wet bolts and the shackle links. Or maybe, no, it does have wet bolts, it's just got the thin shackle link. So if you've got one of these that's equipped like this, make sure that you upgrade to the thicker shackle links, right? Because you can see they haven't been greasing them or lubing them. And yeah, they are wet bolts. Yep, see right there. But same thing. So just because they have wet bolts on them doesn't mean that the bushings don't go bad and that you have to stop greasing them. So this one needs to get greased, and I would upgrade the suspension shackle bolts and links to the thicker ones. And so when we get around to talk to this owner, I'll see if they want to do that while we're in here. All right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Oh, and all that stuff has got to get pulled out to replace that metal. So the water heater, the furnace, the 2 compartment doors, and the clearance light. All right, well, hey, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Dustin, your RV Specialist.